It's engaging here, but it's not actually turning any of the lobes. It's not making contact with a lobe to turn a lobe. I can still shift manually. There we go, that actually popped out. It got stuck right here, it looks like. There it is, see, that's getting stuck. So there, it's not gonna engage anything. But, there it goes. Now we're going okay. Neutral, that's first. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Seems to be okay now, but there seems to be a sticking point. If this, not sure what was making that stick. So yeah, something right here. Seems to be okay now, but that's still a bit worrying. See, it actually stuck a little bit there. Now we're back. Alright, so that's normal right there, but so back in first. Something was causing this to stick. I don't know if that spring's just not strong enough or what, but that's my early diagnosis.